Now we're going to finish up with our refold. As we look down here, this is where we last left off. We have our diamond shape here. We're folding back our other diamond shape here. And we can see we already got this nice little flap started here. So we're going to try to create that here on the top. So we started with this edge here, bringing it up like so. And as you can see, this line is coming in right here where we wanted it to. Now we need to work with this just a little bit more to make these diamond shapes really come out. Now what's going to happen is you're going to fold it, just kind of fold it down like so. And it's going to leave this piece sticking up. Now you can fold this down, it doesn't matter which direction, up or down, depending on how you're looking at it. That's how we want it to look, somewhat. Fold it back up, so we'll crease it on both sides, and we'll do the same over here. We're going to pick our diamond shape that we want. Actually, we want this one right here, the one closest to our kite shape, closest to our diamond. We're just going to fold this in. We're just going to fold it on around.